Hello, Can Do Guy here. We have another unboxing. This is a 12 gauge Gforce arms. It's a 12 gauge. The box comes with, I believe there is 2 chokes in this box. Oops, there it is. And the threader thing to take them out. It has the spanner wrench, which you need to take the shaft off the end. Also, we got a limb saver, AirTech. This is a size medium. 1 inch thick. The number is 10551. It's the medium size, like I said before. Reduces up to 70% of the recoil. It tells you all about it there. I suppose it's made in Shelton, Wyoming. There's the fit size, so forth. And then we have a box of 12 gauge, 3 inch, 1550 velocity, 1 1/8 ounce 2-shot, which is what the manufacturer recommends to shoot to break the gun in. It's 100 rounds. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We had to take the buttstock off to get it on right correctly, I believe. As you can see, there's a screw. Looks like a Phillips screw. You take that Phillips screw, which is right there on the bottom, and you just unscrew the one screw, and it catches on top here and pulls right off. And here's what it looks like with it on. We'll see. We hope this will help. Not sure if it looks like it fits too correctly, but anyway, there you go. Hope you liked the video. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.